Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create exploded dimensions in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, open your AutoCAD workspace and make sure a drawing is ready. Over here, understand how dimension associativity works. Then, go to the command line and type dim a sock. After that, press enter. Over here, the dimension associativity setting will appear. Then, set the value to 2 for associative dimensions by default. After that, type 0 in the command line. Over here, press enter again. Then the setting will change to non-associative mode. After that, new dimensions will now behave as exploded elements. Over here, each part of the dimension, like text, lines, and arrows, will become independent. Then you can modify or delete each component separately. After that, double-check your dimensions to ensure correct behavior. Over here, switch settings carefully when working on different projects. And that wraps it up. Appreciate your watching. See you in the next.